Okay, in this video we are going to learn how to generate a calendar for a given month and year. First, we need to import the calendar module. It is a built-in module. It is incorporated by default in the Python installation. I will create a variable year. For year, I will assign 2020, and for the month 11. That is equivalent to November. Now, in a print invocation, we will pass the result of calling the month method. It is a static method from the calendar module, month. Okay. This function requires two parameters. The year. We pass the year contents, the variable contents of the year variable. Okay. And next, the content of the month variable. We can execute this code by using the play button, and we get the result. This is the calendar for November 2020. All of the dates appear inside this calendar from the first day, that is Sunday, to the last date. It is month date, month 30. Okay.